ZANU-PF is called for an emergency Politburo meeting scheduled for Wednesday in the party headquarters amid growing tensions and speculation of an internal power struggle. Sanabila Mashoko, Oda Panapani questions, Masmopo leaders, they are now in panic mode. Nokuda kwema fears abakuluma in the regime sanabina mashuku brenyu kwa pana bro subscribe or like to the bell icon tipina bana pamuda kwa mjenzi. The official notice signed by the party's spokesperson Chris Muchangwa does not disclose the agenda of the meeting, but sources within the ruling party suggest it is linked to the latest wave of political instability. The emergency gathering comes just days after military tanks were spotted in the streets of Harare, fueling fears of another coup attempt similar to the 2017 military intervention that ousted the late Robert Mugabe and paved the way for Emmerson Mnangagwa to assume power. While the government has remained silent on the matter, security insiders claim that sections of the military are growing increasingly restless over the deepening factional battles within the ruling party. Further intensifying the crisis, ZANU-PF Central Committee member and war veteran Leslie Geza recently lodged a scathing attack on President Idi Mnangagwa publicly calling for his resignation. He has accused the 81-year-old leader of mismanaging the economy, failing to unite the party, and betraying the values of the liberation struggle. His remarks have resonated with the disgruntled war veterans and a faction of that party that reportedly favors VP Chiwenga as a potential successor. The meeting is expected to expose deepening divisions within ZANU-PF, with the tensions between Mnangagwa and his ambitious deputy VP Chiwenga reaching boiling point. Too much common pana bashins unogona kusachiwari mupisa today pawachauya vachikoveya pawachauya vachimita in the Politburo meeting discuss all these burning and very deadly issues. What is mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Vabvina comment section medu ndidzi mafunguro enyu. Songa subscribe or like chinotora bell icon.